If you're watching this, something probably hit your nail hard, and now it's dark, bruised, and throbbing. Let's talk about exactly what's happening inside and what you should do about it. Inside every finger and toe, there's a network of tiny blood vessels, nerves, and bones, all packed tightly together in a small space. When you take a hard impact, those blood vessels rupture. Blood leaks out and gets trapped, underneath the skin, underneath the nail. That pooled blood is exactly what you're seeing, that dark blue-black color. It's called a subungual hematoma, trapped blood under the nail. And the reason it hurts so much? All that pooled blood creates pressure, directly against the nerve endings packed into that tiny space. That pressure is what causes the intense, throbbing pain. Here's the good news. In mild cases, your body handles this on its own. It naturally breaks down and reabsorbs the pooled blood over days to weeks. The pain often eases within hours, sometimes within a full day, and the discoloration fades as the nail grows out. If the impact was minor, the dark area is small and the pain is improving. Just protect it and give it time. Whether mild or serious, the first 48 hours matter. Cold water. Submerge the finger or toe immediately. Cold constricts blood vessels and slows the bleeding. Compression. Wrap it with a light bandage to prevent further pooling. Ibuprofen, for pain and inflammation. Elevate. Keep the hand or foot raised to reduce pressure. Then wait 48 hours and see how it responds. If pain isn't improving after 48 hours or getting worse, you need medical help. Moderate cases. The doctor makes a tiny hole through the nail to drain the trapped blood. The pressure releases almost immediately. Most patients feel relief within seconds. Severe cases. If the hematoma covers most of the nail, the doctor removes the nail entirely under local anesthesia. The nail does grow back, it just takes time. This part gets overlooked too often. The same force that caused the bleeding may have fractured the underlying bone. If your pain is severe or feels disproportionate to what you can see, get an X-ray, even if the dark area looks small. A missed fracture can lead to long-term problems with movement and function. Most of the time, it's just the hematoma, but always rule it out.